Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll review the vivo X200 FE, a small and compact smartphone that features a telephoto that can zoom out to 100 times. Now let's unbox the package. So this is the X200 FE. You can see the camera from here, the side. So what else is inside the package? Let's take a look. And over here we have the charging cable. Here's the charger. The vivo X200 FE comes with a 6.31-inch flat screen with a body width of only 71.76 mm and a thickness of only 7.99 mm, and it only weighs 186 grams, which is lighter than most of the smartphones available in the market. It's quite compact, as you can see on the screen, as compared to the larger 6.7-inch smartphones that are available in the market. The phone is built with aerospace grade aluminum and is IP68 and 69 dust and water resistant. It has triple protection certified and military grade certified. This phone runs on FunTouch OS 15. It's based on Android 15. The processor that powers it is the 3.4 GHz MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus octo-core processor. You can see from the specs here they have a 12 plus 12 gig RAM, phone storage of 512 gig. So how's the performance of this phone? Basically, based on the Geek 6 benchmark that we've done, it actually lies between the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and Gen 3. And here are the results of single core at 1648 and multi-core at 6079. And see from here, that's where it lies. 1648 should be around a similar performance to the S24 of Samsung. And in multi-core, 6079 should be around the Galaxy S24, slightly slower than S24. Now this is how the camera interface looks like. Over here you can select the zoom. Over here we can go up to 10 times because after 10 times the telephoto will kick in and we are too close to the object. Okay, so basically if you are shooting a far distant object, you can go up to 100 times. Over at the top right corner, you can also choose the kind of style you prefer while shooting the picture. So you can select here and you can choose vivid, as this style, the negative mode, etc. Texture, for example. As for video shooting, you can choose the frame rate over here, so 1080p or 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second. Now if you were to use the professional mode, you can actually shoot in 4K 50 frames per second. Over here you can choose the video mode, for example, by clicking this. And over here you can actually select the frame rate. You can see that we are using 50. You can choose 24, 25, 30, 50, 60. And in 1080p, you can choose up to 120, 240. Maybe I should hold it this way so it's easier to read. You can go up to 240. So 4K, you can do 24, 25, 50, 30, 60, which you can choose. But most of the phones don't allow you to actually choose the 4K 50 frames per second. But this is very useful because when you are in Asia or Europe region, when you use this frame rate, You'll no longer see the flickering of the lights in your video. The vivo X200 FE is a great phone. It feels premium in your hand with its metallic green look and is light and compact. You can easily use it with one hand, but you might want to increase the font size so that you can read comfortably. It's super fast thanks to the MediaTek Dimensity 9003 Plus chip. That means your apps and games run smoothly and you can switch between them without any hassle. The 50-megapixel camera is fantastic for photos and videos. You get 100 times zoom and can record in 4K in 50 frames per second. Thanks to image stabilization, the videos now look more stable, and you can even edit them right on your phone with the smart AI features. You'll always be connected with a dual SIM and wide 5G 4G support. Plus, the huge battery and fast charging means you don't have to worry about power. The vivo X200 FE is a powerful, good-looking and practical phone that you don't want to miss. You can read more details about this phone on our website at https://en.ocbench.com. Again, thanks for watching this review. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified of new videos. And be sure to like and share this one too. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.